Uh-oh. $8. Yikes.
I'm going to turn that. I don't want it to touch on the concrete. Pants are $3. I'm sorry. Yeah, the pricing's over here. I didn't have enough signs. I didn't want to stick on anything.
One.
Yeah, they're not licensed.
Ooh, this is cool. Definitely buy that. Definitely buy that. Dennis the Menace. How much are your books?
Books are $1. Okay. Thank you so much. You too. Thanks for stopping.
There you go.
Okay, great. Thank you.
you.
I'm gonna put this right here for now.
Christmas Village. Burberry Village. Would you take 7 for the 2 houses? Instead of 9? Yeah? 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Thank you so much.
you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. $15.05.
Hey, I'm saying if you're gonna do that, take that up there and bring them all down. Huh? No, send them back. Well, there might be some in the box, but.
Never used pasta dryer. How much is your flag?
$1.
Star Trek 4.
You're about to guarantee to get me sold. Other than this yard sale, if we have a yard sale, we seem to have a $1 yard sale. Yes. They are phenomenal. That's great. Makes math a whole lot easier. How many pieces do you have?
Would you do less than 5 on that?
Yeah.
Thinking like $2?
3?
Sure. Yeah, I'll do 3. And how much is this doll?
5.
It's pretty cute. So if I did that, it'd be 5, 1, and 3. That's 9. Maybe I can find another $1 to spend. Get to 10. Cool. How much is Sentimental Barbie?
We'll do 5 on that too.
5 on Sentimental Barbie. I don't know. Here's the 4 for these 2 things.
Gotcha.
All right, thank you. You too.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Wow, those are some heavy-duty scooters, huh?
Yeah, but the batteries don't really hold a charge anymore. But
Ah, okay.
my husband says he can replace the battery. And it should be
It
good.
goes in here too?
Yeah,
This
the
is-
yard sale. Mhm, yes. Good morning. Were you looking for anything particular today? Or?
I like everything. I'm always hunting for toys, video games, old electronics, that sort of stuff. That's cool.
Lots of transformers.
Yeah, those are always good. That's cool. How much are these?
Just pick up whatever and I'll think of a price after you've got everything picked up.
Oh, Beyblades are cool too. How much for the Beyblade stuff?
I'm doing $1 a piece for these, or I think some kids took a couple because there was more here. Or 10 for like the whole set.
10 for the whole set?
Or what is it? 10 for the whole. Oh, those
Wow.
cars. Okay, so these 2 cards go together, and here's
Ah,
the
okay.
thing, and you operate them with Bluetooth from your phone.
Hmm.
Like remote control with.
That's neat. Yeah.
Good morning, how are you, ma'am?
I'm making a pile of stuff I want.
Okay.
That's cool. How much are these guys?
10 for the set for those
I'll
two.
get those too. Alright. Good stuff. Spike here.
One is 30, one is 35.
Graveyard Bride. Halloween costumes are an interesting thing, huh?
Yeah.
It's like a wedding dress. You buy it, use it once, and then it's useless. Ooh, it shot me.
Yeah, did
That's
that one
cool.
have all 3? Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool too. Alright, so how much for this whole stack here? New Wave Oven.
So far 15 for what we got here.
Okay. And then these 2 as well. And then I think I'm done.
Okay.
So what's the total
So
for all?
we'll do 16 for all of it then.
Okay. Perfect. Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you today?
Good. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good. How are you?
Doing fine, thanks.
Got a couple families at this one, huh?
Yeah, we do. They work. They have all their stuff.
I've always wanted a robot in my life. What is this? That's like a hair thing.
Just like I've seen you do it. Yeah, I've done it.
Ooh,
I was like, that
vicious dog.
Oh, yeah. She will tear your leg.
What we'll do is we'll set up like right here, okay?
It's the most depressing movie ever.
Well,
Classic.
already had to talk to them.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Gracie. Yes, he's definitely going in the house. Let me tell you, I need him now.
That was pretty good. Clothing. Massimo. I don't know. I don't know what clothes are good. Knocked over a whole table.
And will you open that up just kind of right here, maybe in front of, I mean, my car? Like right
They took that in good spirits. They were laughing. I don't know if I want anything here. Good.
Oh, it's okay. Your shirt.
Oh, I thought you said my suit. Like,
Oh my, it's your little shoe.
Pantalones.
I guess I'm trying to hurry over here.
The white one with it.
Well, that's cool. How much is this shirt?
2.
That's cool. I'll take that.
All right. Even after the
Even
dog
after the
copied
dog
it,
threw it
bless
on the
your
ground.
heart. Is that a go can?
Yeah, yeah.
So what you getting ready to do today?
I go and I record all my findings, and I got that on footage too, which was pretty
You
awesome.
got the dog. Oh,
Yeah.
no, you
Yeah,
did
I
not.
did. It was really cool. I was pointing it right at him, and he's just like, "Let me give you a show."
Okay, so shouldn't I get a cut in that? Like if
Yeah,
you make any money from
I
that
don't
video?
think. Yeah, I guess. I guess it's your
The
dog.
go cam. and
What's
he
the
said-
dog's name?
Gracie Bell.
Gracie Bell. She's
Yeah,
famous.
Anyway, he has a go trainer, so he records his findings. He said he got what she said.
I got the whole thing.
About 15 minutes, it's going to be all over the world.
There you go. Post it now so people come. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, her name is Gracie.
Oh, yeah.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Sorry for the overusage of slow motion in this video, but there was 2 kind of entertaining things in slow motion. That dog destroying the sale, and then I shot my GoPro right in the eyeball with that little transformer thingy. So let's talk about what we got there. We didn't get a ton, but we got some stuff, and I have not comped everything. This here shirt, I don't know what it's worth, but I think it's really cool. Dale Earnhardt. These are all like raised patches. Drakkar Noir, Bud, King of the Beers. I mean, it's just a really nice long sleeve shirt. I don't know what it's worth, but I imagine it could be good. It's got NASCAR. It's Chase Authentics, which is good. I mean, this is really solid. But yeah, I don't know what it's worth. Could be 15, 20, 25. Could be up to 50. I just don't know. Haven't looked it up yet. Might be kind of hard to find, but haven't even tried yet. I put a list of all the stuff that was in this video. I got that Pet Cemetery book, this one here. It's a soft cover, so it's not worth much, but they always have like a little value, these old Stephen King books. I think that one's listed already, and I think we did $7.99, something along those lines. So not a ton of money, but a little bit. And then we got those Christmas houses. Those are also in here. So these are Burberry Village. I don't really know if that's a good brand, but we did find a few sold for like 30 to 50. These ones both seem brand new, still like wrapped in the plastic. One was completely sealed, so I think we listed one as used and one as brand new. I think we did $40 and $50 or something based on the comps. I don't think it'll sell anytime soon, but it should sell closer to Christmas. So I've been kind of stockpiling Christmas stuff because I was sad last Christmas when I didn't have any Christmas villages to sell and I saw them selling for so much. All right, so this one I just got out of nostalgia and loving Star Trek Next Generation. Just made me think of Patrick Stewart and all the goodness in that show. And I think we listed it for $13.99 when all was said and done. So I think I paid $3 for it. So I paid up a little for my nostalgia, but I still think it's a cool find. And I think I also got a little flag there that I'll list. It won't sell till next Easter because it was an Easter flag. But, you know, hopefully it sells and gets me 10 to 15 bucks. And then that last one is a ton of stuff, and I have not looked through it all yet. It was a bunch of toy stuff. So I think this is the bag they gave me, right? I don't know what any of this stuff is worth. I know, so some of it I do. I've sold this before for $8. I've sold this orange one before for $8. So I knew they had a little value. I don't know if they're still worth that. It was a couple months ago, but if they are worth 8 and 8 like they used to be, then, you know, that'll get me 16 bucks, which is about what I paid for the whole deal. The rest, you know, these Wowie cars, I did look up these, and it looks for the 2, there's a couple solds at $19.99. And then I got a bunch of Beyblades, a bunch more Transformers. I have to look through all these. But I imagine they're all worth, you know, at least $5. Maybe some go up to 10. But that's usually what I get for these, around $5 plus. So there's some cool ones in there. The Beyblades could be good. Bought the Beyblades because one of my viewers told me to. I was at a sale maybe a month or 2 ago, and I walked by a bunch of Beyblades like this, and I got a few comments saying, hey, you should have bought the Beyblades. So this time I just bought all the Beyblades. I've never actually sold a Beyblade, so how many times can I say Beyblade in a few minutes? Maybe I can try to figure out a comp one. All right, I'm back. Sorry, I was looking up Beyblades. I'm struggling with them. It seems like they sell new for decent money, but pre-owned, I'm not seeing great comps. Like this one I saw a comp for $8, I think, with the little pull thingy. But I mean, again, I already am going to get my money back on the Transformers, so whatever I sell those for will be profit. If you guys are like Beyblade professionals, comment down below on how you best sell them. Maybe I should lot them up and do it that way. But yeah, I think I found some cool stuff. I'm definitely not losing money on those sales. I'm definitely going to make some cash. And some fun events happen. Make sure you tune in next time. Thank you for watching, and click that subscribe. Bye-bye.